This is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to tell you what a marketing funnel is, so stay tuned. Alright, so I got a graphic for you today, and this is a really sweet visual of what a marketing funnel is. So a marketing funnel is essentially just a way of describing how you take a lead and you turn them into a customer. There are several steps that you need to take a lead through in order to convert them to being a customer. If you just try to sell something to somebody the first time that you meet them, they probably won't be interested because you didn't gain their trust and you didn't inform them of the process by using content and by trying to tell them the benefits of your product and all the different benefits that surround that niche. So at the top of the funnel, you can see that we have lead generation. So that's when you have your opt-in forms, you're giving away a lead magnet, you have marketing campaigns, consumer research going on, trying to figure out who your consumer is and then split testing some of those opt-in forms, trying to see what people will take for free. You can have webinars, direct mail, social media, viral campaigns, search, media mentions, and much, much more. There are so many different ways to outreach to potential leads, and all of these options are really great. One of the most basic ways that you can do outreach for potential leads is by creating YouTube content or TikTok or Instagram, any of the social platforms really, and then directing them to a blog, and then they will opt in and you can send them a freebie, like a top 10 tips list or maybe a secrets list or maybe a coupon, something like that. This stage is all about getting your potential leads aware that you exist. Then in the interest part of the funnel, you are engaging people, you're positioning them, and you are trying to start going toward them taking an action. So you start sending them emails, you start doing remarketing, targeted ads, stuff like that. And you give away courses and different newsletters. That way you keep people interested and they keep subscribing to your content. The next part of the funnel is consideration. So this is where you're trying to get your customer to consider you as a potential solution for their pain point. This is where you're nurturing your leads. So you're giving product information and specials. You have your automated autoresponder campaigns and you have free trials, and you're really starting to get people to use your products and get their feet wet. Then once you've nurtured your leads, it's time to test the customer intent. Customer intent is somebody wanting to actually buy something, or they're searching for something to solve their problem. When we reach the intent phase, this is where your leads have been fully nurtured and it's time to start seeing where they're going to be buying your products and trying to gauge what is going to actually solve their problem. This is where they're going to make a decision whether or not that you are solving their problem. This kind of ties in with the evaluation stage. So with the intent stage, you have product demos and shopping carts, and people are starting to add things to their cart. As you get more sales, it's going to add to nurturing because you're gaining trust of your customers in order to make purchases with you. Marketing and sales are trying to prove that their product is the best. And the final stage is the purchase stage. This is where the actual sale is complete. So you take somebody from seeing you for the first time, you gauge their interest with emails and YouTube content or different social media content. Then you use ads and you try to give away freebies some more and do some demos, get some free trials out there in the intent phase. Then they evaluate your product by comparing your solution to others, and then they finally make a sale if they trust you and they think your solution is the right one for them. So that's pretty much it. That's a marketing funnel in a nutshell. An example of a marketing funnel that I do is I release YouTube content, and then that leads to my opt-in pages. They subscribe to my email list, and then I send a bunch of different emails to different leads. And I try to give offers out to people that might help them in solving their problems. So that might be one flow, but there are so many different flows. You can do different ad campaigns, you can do different organic reach tactics, you can try to nurture through the DMs, maybe on Instagram or LinkedIn or Facebook. There are just so many different options in the marketing world. It's up to you to find an option that you think you can dominate. Learn everything about that option, and then try your best to become an expert and to dial in with it. If you send somebody a direct to sale link and you don't get any sales back, don't be concerned, because that's what you should expect. It's not because you're a bad marketer, it's that they've never seen this offer before, they've never met you before, and they're not likely to trust you or the offer, and they're not even sure that they need it. You need to remarket, you need to constantly be in contact with your potential leads, and you need to figure out what their pain points are and solve them. I hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like if you really liked the video. If you want me to make more videos about marketing funnels, say yes in the comments below. I'd love to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great one. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.